Welcome to our deep dive into the journey of lung health recovery, a topic that touches the lives of many around the globe. Whether you're here out of concern for the effects of smoking, pollution, a recent illness, or any condition that impacts lung function, you've found the right place to begin the path toward healing and strength. In the vast expanse of health and wellness topics, lung health stands out as a cornerstone for vitality and quality of life. Our lungs, those intricate organs working tirelessly to fuel every cell with oxygen, can sometimes fall victim to injury or disease. Yet, the body's remarkable capacity for healing can often be supported and enhanced with targeted strategies and interventions. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey titled Recovery Road: Strategies for Healing and Repairing Lung Tissue. This comprehensive guide is designed to empower you with knowledge, inspire with stories of resilience, and offer practical steps to support lung tissue recovery and overall lung health. Today, we'll explore evidence-based natural remedies and environmental adjustments to aid in lung recovery and health. Our lungs are at the heart of our respiratory system, playing a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. Every breath brings oxygen into the body, fueling the intricate systems that keep us alive and thriving. But when lung health is compromised, the ripple effects can touch every aspect of our lives, from our energy levels and mood to our ability to engage in activities we love. In the contemporary world, where environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and medical conditions often intersect to impact lung health, understanding how to support lung recovery is more critical than ever. Whether navigating the aftermath of respiratory illnesses, aiming to mitigate the effects of environmental pollutants, or seeking to heal from the consequences of long-term habits like smoking, the road to recovery offers hope and a path forward. Embarking on the recovery road, let's breathe new life into our discussion on lung recovery. 1. Understanding lung damage. First, let's understand what we're up against. Lung damage can stem from various sources: pollutants, smoke, occupational hazards, and even prolonged illnesses. The symptoms might include shortness of breath, persistent coughing, and decreased exercise capacity. Healing from such damage requires a multifaceted approach, combining medical advice with lifestyle changes. 2. The power of clean air. Our journey begins with the air we breathe. Improving indoor air quality is paramount. Plants like spider plants, peace lilies, and snake plants don't just beautify your space, they can improve air quality. But it's not just about decoration. Ensuring good ventilation and using air purifiers can significantly reduce indoor pollutants. 3. Dietary adjustments for lung health. Nature's pharmacy provides us with foods known for their lung-healing properties. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens can support lung health. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects, essential in healing lung tissue. 4. The role of hydration and humidity. Never underestimate the power of staying hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining mucosal linings in the lungs, making it easier to clear out toxins. Similarly, maintaining an optimal level of humidity in your living space helps keep your airways moist and more resistant to irritants. 5. Breathing exercises and physical activity. Breathing exercises, particularly those practiced in yoga, can enhance lung capacity and the efficiency of oxygen exchange. Physical activities, especially those done outdoors in clean environments, can strengthen the lungs and improve overall lung function. 6. Minimizing exposure to pollutants. It's crucial to minimize exposure to pollutants. This might mean wearing masks in polluted areas, avoiding secondhand smoke, and choosing clean, less trafficked routes for your daily walks or jogs. 7. Embracing the healing power of sleep. Sleep is when your body goes into overdrive repairing itself. Ensuring you get enough quality sleep is essential for lung health. A proper sleeping environment can support your body's natural repair processes. Let's try a simple breathing exercise together. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a count of 4, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Simple exercises like this can be powerful tools in your lung health toolkit. Adopting these practices requires patience and consistency. Remember, it's about making gradual adjustments to support your lungs' natural healing processes. As we navigate these topics, we'll hear from medical experts, individuals on their own recovery journeys, and dive into the latest research to offer you a comprehensive guide to lung health recovery. As you join us on this journey, we invite you to become an active member of our community. Like this video if you find the content helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and insights into health recovery and wellness. Your engagement not only supports our work, but helps us reach and assist others on their path to recovery. While we strive to provide valuable information and guidance, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment plans. The strategies and insights shared in this video are intended to complement professional medical advice, not replace it. As we wrap up this introduction to Recovery Road, Strategies for Healing and Repairing Lung Tissue, we stand on the threshold of a journey filled with potential for healing and improvement. With each step forward, we embrace the power of knowledge, the value of support, and the importance of perseverance. If you're ready to take the next steps on your path to lung health recovery, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us to continue providing comprehensive, insightful content designed to support your health and wellness journey. Thank you for joining us today. Here's to your health and a successful journey on the road to recovery. Remember, every like and subscribe not only motivates us, but also enables us to bring more content like this to you and others seeking to improve their lung health. We're in this together, sharing knowledge and support on the path to better health. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Together, let's breathe easier and live better.